Hey guys, it's Freddie with H-Town Model Shop, and today the tip of the month, I would say, would be the switch boxes that I have found, or switches for like lowrider, and this is zoomed up, but once you get the dash in place, this is what it will look like. Just cut it down to 4, and then you'll have the little switches here on top. This will be your box, and then the back side will be empty, of course, but it'll be hidden from the back. So this is what it would look like. These right here are gonna go in the '61 Chevy Impala that CT and I are doing. I sent a set of these to Minnie to check them out. He said he liked them. So basically, you just get your snips or sprue cutters, and I just cut off 4 because that's all you probably want to show on the card. But do that. Maybe clean it up a little bit, and there you go. There's your switches. These here, you go on eBay. You can find them under, I believe, search 21 pin or 21 machined pin connector, and that's what pop up. I found these here locally, and they're fairly cheap. So if y'all want to use them, that's what it is. And like I said, it's just a real quick way to put some detail into your lowriders, guys. Anyways, y'all have a good day, and we'll see y'all soon.